Good evening, dear students of Standard 8th. Myself, Johnsy teacher, is going to teach you all the third topic of GK, that is general knowledge. Welcome back to this online class learning. In this chapter, we are going to see the topic scientists and inventions and diseases of the human body. So, students, take out your textbook and take out a pencil in your hand. Turn to page number 26. We will see the question answers given in page number 26 first. Scientists and inventions. Identify the scientists with the help of the given clues. So the clues are being given in the yellow box over there in the right side of the page. So from the right side of the page yellow box, we have to choose the scientist name and fill in the box which is given below the questions. So let us start with the first one. There are three columns, that is invention, discovery, then the year and the country. So we have to see the scientist who has invented the invention, in which year and the country. So first one, airplane, 1903, country USA. So who has invented? Wright brothers. So Wright brothers, that is the G option. So write it in the box given below. Second one, X-ray, in year 1901, country Germany, and the scientist who has invented X-ray is Roentgen. That is the E option. Then the third one, ballpoint pen, in the year 1938, country Hungary, and the scientist who has invented the ballpoint pen is L. Biro. L. Biro. So write the option D below the third one in the box given over there. Then the fourth one, dynamite, year 1867, country Sweden. So the scientist who has invented dynamite is Alfred Nobel. So write F below 4 in the box given. Then fifth one, electric lamp, in year 1879, country USA. So the scientist who has invented electric lamp is Edison. So write J below 5. Next sixth one, computer, year 1934, country Britain. So the scientist who has invented computer is Charles Babbage. So write B below the sixth option. Next, seventh one, telephone. Telephone is invented in the year 1876 in the country USA. So the scientist who has invented telephone is Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. So write A option below the seventh one. Now eighth one, television. Television has been invented in the year 1926 and in country Scotland. So who has invented television? So the answer is John Logie Baird. Logie Baird. So write the option K below the eighth one. Then the ninth one, safety pin. Safety pin has been invented in the year 1849 in the country USA. The scientist who has invented safety pin is Walter Hunt. Walter Hunt. So write down C below the option ninth one. Now the 10th one, printing press. Printing press has been invented in the year 1440 and country Germany. Who has invented printing press? So the answer is J. Gutenberg. J. Gutenberg is the scientist who has invented printing press. So below 10th one, write H option. Next one, telescope. Telescope has been invented in the year 1608 in the country the Netherlands, and the scientist who has invented telescope is uh, Lance Lippershey. Lance Lippershey. Hans Lippershey. So write down I option below the below 11th one. So now students, we have finished with the question number A. Now let us see the question number B, that is diseases of the human body. Some diseases are caused by dietary deficiency of any substance essential for good health. Match the disease to the deficiency which causes it and its symptoms. So, in the first column, disease has been given, in the second column, deficiency, and in the third column, symptoms. We have to match the disease with deficiency as well as symptoms. So, first one, anemia. Anemia, match it with vitamin A, and and in symptoms, general weakness and pale complexion, that is the fifth option. Then second one, goiter. Goiter, deficiency iodine, and in symptoms, seventh one, pain in joints, swelling in neck. Then third one, beriberi, deficiency G1, vitamin B1, that is thiamine. And in symptoms, sixth one, weakness, swelling and pain in legs, loss of appetite, enlarged heart. Fourth one, scurvy. In deficiency H1, vitamin C, absorbic acid. And in symptoms, third one, swollen gums, delayed wound healing. Fifth one, rickets. In deficiency B, vitamin D. And symptoms, the eighth one, that is sleeplessness, pale face, diarrhea, deformed skull. Sixth one, hypokalemia. Hypokalemia, that is in deficiency D, potassium, and in symptoms, first one, rise in heartbeat, kidney damage, weakness. Seventh one, night blindness. In deficiency A, vitamin A, and symptoms, tenth one, that is weak vision in dim light or at night. Then eighth one, pellagra. Pellagra, that is deficiency C, nicotinic acid, vitamin B complex. And in symptoms, fourth one, that is diarrhea, mental lethargy, red skin, itching in hands, feet, elbows and knees. Ninth one, dermatosis, that is deficiency C, nicotinic acid, vitamin B complex. And symptom second, skin diseases. And the last, 10th one, that is hyponatremia. Hyponatremia, deficiency is E, sodium. And symptoms, ninth one, that is loss of body weight, low blood pressure. So students, I hope that you have marked the answer. Now students, let us continue with the C question that is given on the same page, page number 27. The subtopic for this is diseases of the human body only. What type of diseases are the following? Identify type with the help of the given clues. First one, a disease which is always present in a given location. The answer is endemic, and the option over there in the clue given is E1. Second one that is transmitted by direct physical contact. Answer is contagious. Third one, an outbreak of a disease on a very large scale affecting simultaneously a large number of people. Answer is epidemic. Fourth one, a disease that a child inherits from his parents. Example, diabetes, AIDS, etc. So answer is hereditary. Fifth one, an outbreak of a disease that spreads to many countries or continents. Answer is pandemic. Sixth one, a disease that occurs locally in an area with no clue to its occurrence. Answer is sporadic. Seventh one, a disease caused by microscopic organisms and capable of its getting transmitted to other persons by direct or indirect contact, that is through droplets in coughs, sneezes, etc. So answer is infectious. So now students, turn to page number 28. Let us see the D question. The question is, write the name of the disease which affect the part of the body that it affects. So you have to write the answer in the box which is given in the right side of the page 28. In one column it is given as disease and in the other column it is given as effects. So you have to match the column. Don't match in the question itself. There is a box given over there. You have to write the answer there. So first one, arthritis. The answer is D, that is joints. So write first one, D option. Second one, cirrhosis. So second one, answer is F, that is liver. Third one, conjunctivitis. The answer is G, that is eyes. Next, fourth one, cystitis. So the answer is H, that is bladder. Fifth one, dermatitis. The answer is C, that is skin. Sixth one, diphtheria. The answer is I, that is throat. Seventh one, gingivitis. Gingivitis. The answer is A, that is gums. Eighth one, hepatitis. The answer is liver, that is F1. Ninth one, meningitis. The answer is E, that is brain. And tenth one, pneumonia. The answer is B, that is lungs. So students, I hope that you have written the answers in your GK textbook. So students, thank you for seeing the video. Thank you students. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy.